Do you wanna guys see 100-year-old insulation? I mean an attic. This is what they used as insulation. This is just piece of a ground. You know, like the top layer of a forest or something. In Finnish called turve. So this is insulated 100-year-old house, the attic of it. And this is what it has here. Just pieces of ground. And then here are the boards. All right. And then they have stuffed these corners with more of this same stuff. Yeah. I guess you can have your insulation pretty inexpensive if you just use the top layer of a forest as insulation. So I already removed it here. This I haven't touched it yet, but this was once the insulation of a house attic. Okay, now it's about ready. But here are some of the treasures I found. Super old hat. Alright, I guess you could feel buried. Some weird ass bolt, and then this shoe thing, time portal, then cartoons. Then this was kind of interesting find. Alright, this is kind of like old farm equipment book. Okay, then a hat, you know, then a shoe, like a Lapis old reindeer shoe.